two. And shake, shake, shake and shake. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's right, up and down. And to the front. Come down and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down, up, down. Hey guys, what's up? This is your favorite Zumba teacher here, Hitomi, with my 15 minutes class, which is part of a series of 8 videos going from beginner to advanced. First thing, I know you know what to do, right? Hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell too, so you know when we post new videos. It would be great if you leave a comment and please like the video and share. By the way, thank you so much for tagging us in all your great videos. I really want to see you doing my routine. Also, check out our channel for more classes: hip-hop, yoga, salsa, belly dance, Pilates, African dance, Afrobeats, and more. Let's do this. Second song. Alright, so this one we're going to start jump around. So it's left around, right around, then 4 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump around, jump around, jump around, and 1, 2, 3. That's right. Then we have front, back, front, back. That's right. Keep going. So we have 4 times of this, right? Other side, front, back, front, back, front, back. That's right. Then we have side, side. So this is the same as the first song. Shake to the side. And we have front and back. 2, 3, 4, and front. That's right. And back. That's right, from the top. Side, around. Jump, around. Right, around. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump, around. Jump, around. Jump, around. 1, 2, 1 more. And jump, around. Jump, around. Jump, around. That's right. And we have front and back. Front and back. 4 times. Front and back. Other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to the side. Shake, 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 and front. Front, 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 front to the back, and back, back, back. That's right. And from the top, jump around, jump around, jump around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump around, jump around, jump around. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have bam bam. Step, step, side. Step, step, bam bam. Step, 4 walks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Step, step, bam bam. Step, step, bam bam. 4 walks to the back. 2, 3 from the top. Jump around, jump around, jump around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. Around, around. That's right. 1 more. Right, around. Left, around. Right, around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, guys. So this is the second song. I'm sure you got that. Now the third song we have is a salsa, right? So we have front and back. We're gonna start from our right leg, alright? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Front, back. That's right. Right, left. Other side. Front, back. Left front and right. To the side. 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 That's right. Keep going. And with arms, arms. That's right. Great job. Now we have side, jump, side, cha-cha-cha, side, jump, side, cha-cha-cha, side, jump, side, cha-cha-cha, side, jump, side, cha-cha-cha. Great job. So guys, if this is too hard for you, go back to video 1 and 2. Because what I'm doing, I explained much better, much more in the first 2 videos, okay? Alright, so the next one is the slower movement, right? We have left leg front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and turn around and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and arms go around, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great job, guys. So this is the third song we have. All right, and let's get some water. Take a water break. All right. Okay. All right. Hope you guys are enjoying this so far. I am sure you guys are doing great. All right. So let's get back to the movements right here. So we have samba. So the basic step, it starts with the basic step, all right? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's right, this is the intro, right? Then we're gonna do 4 times. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. So this is just twice. Twice and side and side. So it's 2 samba, side, side. 1, 2, and side. Side. That's right, keep going. 2, and side. Then we're gonna go to the side with our arms and hips go around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and side. That's right. We're gonna turn around in the advanced class. Not right now yet. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. 2, 3, 4, and side. Great job. Next one is samba 2. So 4 times samba and open arms to the side. Open arms. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, and open. Other side. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, and open. And open. That's right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. That's right. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 walks, right? And side, cross, cross, and other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, side, cross, cross, That's right. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and side. Cross, cross. Great job. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and side. Cross, cross. Great job. And come back to samba. That's right. So this is the samba movement. You got all that pretty great. I see that from here. Alright, so the next one. So these are the 4 songs we've done, right? That was easy. So now we're gonna do that all from the top, okay, with the music. You can make mistakes, no worries, it's fine. You're a beginner. You're here to have fun and dance. This is a Zumba class, so just have fun and march it out if you don't know what you're doing. Alright? So we're gonna do it from the top. Ready, guys? Okay. So it's right and left. That's right. Right. That's right. Keep smiling. Let's go. 1 and 2. To the front. That's right. Great job. And one more time. And front. Now we're gonna go down. Ready? And 1, 2, double. Single, single, double. And shake. That's right. You got it. And side. Now we have hips to the back. Back, front. Back, front. That's right. Shake. Great job. Keep going. And open arms. And 1, 2. That's right. Now we're gonna go to the front. Ready? And you got it. Keep going. Now we're gonna go down. And 1, 2. Shake to the side. Side. That's right. And one more time. And keep going. Ready? Down. That's right. Single, single, double. And hips to the back. And yeah, great job. And keep going. Breathe. And stop. And now to the front. Great job. Alright, come down. And stop. That's right. Shake it off. And shake. Great job. We're gonna jump, okay? Jump, jump, jump. That's right. Say hi to your family, friends. Yeah. Turn around if you like. Great job, guys. Keep front, back, front. And shake your booty. Yeah. Great job. To the side. And that's right. One more. Now we're gonna go to the front. And breathing. Yeah, you did it. Great job. Alright, let's go to the second song. We're gonna jump to the side, around, jump, around. And 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Alright, let's go. Jump, around, and jump. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. Front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's right. Other side. Now shake to the side. the subscribe and notification button. I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for taking my class. See ya!